I welded one side while you guys were away doing whatever that you do. Let's see, I'm gonna see if I can hold the camera right, and see if I can weld it and film at the same time. I never really like welding and filming at the same time. Well, let's see what happens. 7018 DC, fucking 120 something amps, whatever. Try again. Here we go. Ah, son of a bitch. I can't believe I did that. Only I would do that on camera. Stuck the rod, son of a bitch. Ah, bitch. Alrighty! Ain't too shabby. Wanna see what it looks like? I'm curious what it looks like too. I stuck that rod like fucking 9 times. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm a pretty good welder too. I don't even have a chipping hammer. We'll use this. No problem. Actually, I might have a hammer in here. Spring compressor. Anything. Impact gun. Da 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 da. Fuck! Little children must have stolen my hammer. We use a wrench. I'm kind of curious what it looks like. Wish I owned a wire brush. I'm using a fucking wrench. What kind of... using a fucking wrench. Can you believe that? Look at this. A wrench. Well, looks like the welding rod stayed dry. There's no porosity holes in the weld. Oh, the camera's kind of shitty. You can't focus, you piece of shit, camera. Come on. No? Worse? Better? Come on, focus! Focus! Oh well, ain't focusing, but if you take my word for it, it looks kind of nice, you know, overlap look. Good penetration going into this side, bit nice. Good penetration going into this side of the weld. Good penetration this side. Nice back and forth. A little shitty up top because I stuck the rod the first couple of times. The bottom's alright, ain't too bad, nice and globby. That was half decent. I'd buy it for $1. Ha! $1. I put like another 9 rods into it because I'm getting tired of the fucking thing always breaking. So you can bring that back down. I got a hair in my tongue. Ugh. Pooey. Well, salt. Not too shabby. It'll hold. Maybe I'll flip it over, weld the backside too. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube. Goodbye.